Good morning, guys. So I am back at the SMDC Glade Residences site. Just to give you a quick update. So far, the fences have enclosed the construction site. As you can see, as far as I can see from my from where I'm standing over there. And then there are some signs over here on the side of the road. This is where the trucks park to deliver some probably construction materials. And then of course we have the sign over there. Previous updates we have the main entrance is actually open, but right now it's closed, so maybe during the work days it's open. There is, I think, a sign of the future SM further down, so we'll just check it out. So as you can see, the fence have encircled the whole site. So probably this part right here is just for the SMDC, while the other area is probably for the SM Mall in the future. So this part right here is the mall site. As you can see, there is a sign over here. So the perimeter fence, as you can see on my right side. Not much to see from the outside, but we will try to get a drone shot and to get the updates on the inside. Okay, so that's just about it for now. We'll do more updates in the future. Thank you for watching.